Vitamin A, also known as retinol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that is necessary for the body to carry out numerous key processes, including maintaining healthy skin, strong immune system, and eyes. Not to add, it supports reproductive health. Fish, meat, milk, eggs, and dairy products all contain vitamin A in the form of retinol. The body directly processes this already made vitamin A. They are found in plants as beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Do you want to know how much vitamin A you are getting? When we are lacking in this vital nutrient, our systems give away the fact with a few subtle symptoms. These are the signs of a vitamin A imbalance. Now let's get going. Relax. A common indicator is blurry vision at night. Unable to see well at night. Due to its link to vision, night blindness is one of the most common indicators of a vitamin A deficit. Insufficient quantities of it might result in blurred vision and potentially night blindness. In severe situations, as the sun sets, a person can become totally blind. Due to insufficient consumption of vitamin A, studies have indicated that this ailment is prevalent in third-world countries in Africa and India. It's frightening to think of becoming blind at night. So include foods high in vitamin A right away, such milk, eggs, and fish. To fulfill your daily requirement for vitamin A, try including fruits and vegetables that are red, green, yellow, and orange in your diet. If there are no symptoms in your vision, check your skin for clues. Relax. Severe dry skin might be a warning indicator. Desiccated skin. Vitamin A produces and repairs skin cells, which contributes to the health of your skin. According to certain research, it lessens inflammation brought on by skin conditions. It is even believed that inadequate vitamin A in the body can lead to the development of eczema or other skin conditions. Vitamin A is a useful treatment for eczema, a skin ailment characterized by dry, itchy, and inflammatory skin. According to one study, providing vitamin A in the form of retinoic acid to patients suffering from persistent eczema actually helped to lessen their symptoms by 53%. If you have dry skin, check what a difference it makes by eating foods high in vitamin A or taking a supplement if necessary. Relax. Let's move on to a lesser-known fact. Children's stunted growth is a red flag. Expanding. Vitamin A is essential for the body's healthy growth and development in childhood. The likelihood of your child's growth being stunted is great if they do not receive enough vitamin A. Numerous research shown that children's growth would be inhibited if they did not obtain enough vitamin A. However, growth is not always aided by vitamin A alone. Adding additional nutrients to it promotes healthy development. Don't hesitate any longer. Provide your kids with the vitamin A they require through food or supplements, and watch them develop into healthy, robust adults. Have you noticed that the wounds on you or your children are not healing quickly? Okay. Relax. Inadequate healing of wounds is very frequently observed. Ineffective healing of wounds. A vitamin A deficiency may be the cause of wounds that do not heal properly following an incident or surgical operation. Your body uses vitamin A to help create collagen. The skin needs collagen to be strengthened. Furthermore, studies have demonstrated the ability of oral and topical vitamin A to fortify skin. Studies have indicated that the size of wounds in individuals who applied topical vitamin A was nearly 50% smaller than in males who did not. Do you have a wound that's not recovering well? See whether applying topical vitamin A can hasten the healing process for you. Relax. It's useless to cry. Dry eyes are another symptom of a vitamin A deficiency. Eyes get parched. We noted at the beginning of the film that eyesight issues are linked to vitamin A deficiency. These conditions can occasionally be traced back to severe episodes of dry eyes. The inability to cry is, in fact, one of the earliest indications of a vitamin A deficit. According to studies, kids who eat a diet low in vitamin A are more likely to experience dry eyes. And taking pills containing vitamin A is the best strategy to treat this disease. A study that found that giving vitamin A supplements to children and babies reduced their incidence of dry eyes by 63% demonstrated the efficacy of supplementation. Not yet concerned about having kids? Okay. Stop. Were you aware? Does a vitamin A deficiency make conception more difficult? Imagination. Both male and female fertility as well as the growth of children depend heavily on vitamin A. You may be deficient in vitamin A if you are having problems getting pregnant. Increased vitamin A intake is likely to increase the likelihood of conception for both men and women who struggle with reproduction. Research on rats demonstrates that conception is more difficult in female rats with vitamin A deficiency, and the resulting embryos exhibit damage and birth abnormalities. Since oxidative stress causes infertility in humans, males who are infertile require antioxidants to become fertile again. Men should increase their consumption of vitamin A because supplements function as antioxidants in their bodies. Studies have shown that women who miscarry their kids frequently also have vitamin A deficiencies, which may contribute to miscarriages. Relax. I'll give you 2 more cunning symptoms right now. Do you keep getting chest and throat infections? Chest infections and the throat. Often occurring throat and chest infections may indicate a vitamin deficit. Supplementing with vitamin A may help treat these illnesses, although the evidence is conflicting. Research indicates that supplementing with a specific dose of vitamin A for a predetermined duration of time has decreased childhood chest and throat infections. However, other research has revealed that taking vitamin A supplements really raises your chance of getting throat and chest infections. However, it has been discovered that elevated blood levels of vitamin A shield older persons from respiratory infections. Stop. Not to mention last. Excessive acne is an indicator of weakness. Skin. Numerous qualities of vitamin A help with skin issues like acne and irritation. You probably need enough vitamin A if you frequently get acne on your face. Acne can be caused by low vitamin A levels in the body, according to studies. According to one study, those with acne had reduced vitamin A levels compared to those without the condition. Try using topical vitamin A creams to treat acne. Research has shown that these creams can 50% lessen acne scarring. Maintaining adequate levels of vitamin A is crucial for maintaining bodily health. However, did you know that the human body can become poisonous when exposed to too much vitamin A? This vitamin might have unpleasant adverse effects if taken in excess. What then occurs if an excess of vitamin A is consumed? In excess of vitamin A. While vitamin A is a necessary component for humans, excessive amounts of it can be harmful to the body. Let's examine the consequences of having too much of it. Since it is nearly hard to overdose on vitamin A from food alone, supplement abuse is typically the cause of vitamin A toxicity. Due to its fat-soluble nature, vitamin A is metabolized by the liver and is therefore susceptible to acute poisoning. Symptoms of acute poisoning include dry or rough skin, ulceration, visual abnormalities, swelling of the bones, and disorientation. If a pregnant woman consumes excessive amounts, it may possibly result in birth abnormalities. The majority of adults only require 700 to 900 mcg of the vitamin each day. While nursing women need more, children need less. Relax. Without a question, your body can experience amazing benefits from getting the proper amount of vitamin A. Are you curious about the additional vitamins that your body adores? Or indicators of further shortcomings? Let's continue the discussion. See the top 6 vitamins for skin health, or the 9 warning indicators of a vitamin E deficiency that your body displays. Click on each one to find out more about your body and vitamin deficiencies, or watch both if you can. Do you exhibit any of these signs of vitamin A insufficiency? Tell us in the space provided for comments below.